how's it going? I'm here for day 339 of Fergus Gall's Fiddle Tune a Day. Today I want to tell you about a new album that I'm releasing on next Sunday. It's a charity album with all the proceeds going to Pieta House, who are a wonderful charity in Ireland here, who work with suicide and suicide prevention and people who've been affected by suicide. And with the band, with We Banjo 3, we've also done a bit of work with them, and they're a really, really great charity. Now, for the album, I tour around the country for a couple of weeks, recording collaborations with 19 different musicians. So we have 16 tracks in the album, and it features the likes of Sharon Shannon, Martin O'Connor, Jerry O'Connor, Alan Doherty is in there on flute from Aldoc, Aoife Scott is in there, Anya McGeaney from Gwitcha. There's a whole heap, 20 musicians in total. I will list them below because I can't handle it now. But it's a great old album. It's a live recorded, and it's loads of fun. So that's coming out next Sunday. So you can go to my website fergalscal.ie, and all the details will be there, and it'll be up in Bandcamp, and it'll all be explained in further detail. So just to warn you, that's coming next Sunday. In the meantime, here's the Mason's Apron. See you tomorrow for day 340. Good luck.